How to unlink Instagram accounts. This tutorial shows you how to remove linked accounts from your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the options. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Afterwards, in this section, you'll see all the Instagram and Facebook accounts linked to your profile. In addition to that, tap on Accounts to view the complete list of connected accounts. Once there, select the account that you want to remove from the linked accounts. Subsequently, tap on Remove from Account Center or Remove Account at the bottom. Moreover, Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to unlink this account. Afterwards, tap Continue to proceed with removing the account. Then, tap Continue again to confirm the unlinking process. Within moments, the selected account will no longer be linked to your other accounts. Alternatively, if the account was using the same login information as another account, you may need to reset your password to fully separate them. Once removed, you'll need to log in separately if you want to use the unlinked account again. And that's it. If this unlinking guide helped you manage your Instagram accounts, smash that like button, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.